Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another video. Well, I haven't done these videos for a long time, but I got a package from Iherb and I haven't opened it. See, completely sealed. I have been ordering from Iherb. I haven't stopped for a minute, but this package has mostly beauty products. So I thought let's open it together and we'll see what I got. It's small, relatively small package. As I said, I have ordered from Iherb. It's not like I stopped ordering from Iherb. I love ordering from Iherb. But again, this one is mostly beauty, and this is a mainly beauty channel. So, yeah. Okay. That's it. Of course, oh, you can't see anything. Of course, there's paper here. Okay, and let's just see what I have here. But we're going to start with the product that is not beauty, and I think it's the biggest one of all in this package. And I ordered it for my daughter. Yeah, this is from Cotton's organic cotton tampons with an applicator. So I don't know, the first time I'm ordering this one. I ordered from Cotton before and I really love their products, but I never bought this product. So if you will love it, I will let you know. Okay, next up, let's see what we have. That is not makeup or not beauty. Well, that's it, I think. Everything else is beauty. Okay. Let's just start with the only makeup product. Everything else is skincare. This is from Wet n Wild. This is called Mega Glow Dual-Ended Contour Stick. It has one side contour, one side highlighter. You can see it says here. I bought mine in the shade light medium. On Iherb had only two shades, this one and medium dark. So I don't know if they have more shades, but this is how it looks like. Oh, okay. I thought it's going to be, yeah. So this is the contour inside. Oh, this is not a contour shade. And I don't think it's a bronzer shade for me. It's too light. Of course, we're going to try it. I didn't bronze, I didn't contour, I didn't highlight because I knew this one is in the package, and the other side is the highlighter, which is really weird. It's matte. A matte highlighter? It doesn't have a sparkling in it. They're both completely matte. Okay, this is strange. Let's see what it says. It says it's a highlight illumine contour blend. Oh, they tell you what to do. That's really nice. Okay. Oh, it's more like a concealer, a highlighting concealer, not a highlight. Okay, I see. I already used the highlighter, so we will keep the highlighter to another time. Let's just contour. But I'm not sure if this is the right highlighting shade for me. It's too pinky. Can you see that it's pinky? You know what? Let's just try. She says, yeah, I know what I said, but I'm going to try anyways. She said to apply to the under cheek. She said the picture on the forehead here. Well, here I didn't conceal, but of course what she's showing us is a large quantity. Whew, this is really pale. And of course she's doing everywhere. I already did here my blush, so just to see a tiny bit if the shade is good for me. Well, I think that as a highlighting shade it's normal, it's okay. Okay, on the hand it looked scary, but on my face it looks decent. I'm going to take my sponge, the same sponge I used to apply my foundation and concealer. I moved my mirror and it's not comfortable because I can hardly see what I'm doing. It's not good. Let's take a small mirror. I took a mirror because we do need a mirror, and I'm going to blend, and let's see if it gave me highlight. I usually do not apply a lot of highlighter anyways. I don't think it's supposed to replace a highlighter, concealer. No, I'm not so sure. What's the objective of this product? To highlight, yeah, I get it, but we usually highlight with concealer. Do we see a difference? I don't see a difference. Before kind of blended into my shade of foundation, and it blended to the shade of my concealer. Okay, I can't really test it like this, sorry. My bad. Now let's take the contour, which is more of a bronzer. This is not a contour shade. It's too warm to be a contour. A contour is colder, more gray. And she is, well, basically this one here is telling us to bronze where we need to bronze anyways. So let's just bronze. She's bronzing like a contour, but it's not. How can I explain it? She doesn't really matter. The girl in the picture is basically applying it as a contour here under the cheekbone, but for me this is not a contour shade. I don't know for whom it can be a contour shade, but it's not for me, so I'm going to use it as a bronzer shade, and I'm going to apply it above my cheekbone. And like that, and here on my forehead, just like she said in the picture. I didn't apply bronzer, basically I didn't apply highlighter because I wanted to try this one. I was sure it's half highlighter. I don't know, I should have read more thoroughly, but I didn't. Sue me. Yeah, just blending with my sponge. What do we think about this one in comparison to all the other sticks that I have? I don't know why I really wanted to try this one. This is really affordable. I think it's even more affordable than the Revolution one. Maybe this is why I wanted to try it. Let's just open the mirror. How is it blending? Well, this is not my shade. It's not my shade. Maybe I need to apply more. Let's take a second layer of this. I don't know why they call it a contour. I'm trying to think for which skin tone this will be a contour. I'm trying to think for whom, which skin color this can be a contour shade. I don't know. Do you have this? Are you using it as a contour? If so, what is your skin color? Please let me know. I'm very, very curious, because this is not contour. I don't know. I'm sorry, really. Wet n Wild, I love your products, most of them. This one I don't really get. You know what? It's more of a blush than a contour for me. I feel like it's more of a blush than a contour. You know what? Let's grab a bronzer stick. have bronzer sticks. I even have the Fenty one, matchstick from Fenty in Mocha. Can you see the differences? Yeah, I know they're saying it's a contour stick and I can't compare it to a bronzer stick, but this is not contour. That's what I want to show you. Let's just watch it here. This is Fenty, this is Colourpop. So they are all in the same family of warm tones, but this one for me is not a bronzer and it's not a contour. And I am asking myself again, for whom was that created? A huge disappointment. Of course, there's nothing to do with Iherb, they're just the distributor. I'm talking about Wet n Wild. I mean, what were you thinking? Who is it for? It's definitely not for pale skins like the model in the picture. It's not. I'm sorry. Of course, everything is according to my opinion. You can disagree, and if you do, then please write it down in the comment section down below and be civil about it. Okay, let's see other products that I bought from Iherb that are not makeup. I bought these from Sierra Beads. These are organic unflavored lip balm. I purchased in the past 8. There was a bundle of 8 in different flavors. I really loved using it, but I really loved using it, but I didn't need 8. So 4 went to the bin because they started smelling, and I bought these one. They're unscented. I'm going to give 1 to each member of the family because they're unscented, and guys can also use them, and maybe that way they will not go to waste. But I really love the quality of this. I already know. This is from Acure. This is called Seriously Soothing Cloud Cream. Argan oil and hyaluronic acid. This is for sensitive skin. I love Acure. They are 100% vegan. Paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, phthalate free, cruelty free, 50 milliliters. I love it. I really enjoy Acure's product. Not all of them. I really love their ingredients and I really enjoy using them, but they're not always suitable for my skin. This one I got for one of my children, maybe my son, maybe my daughter, whoever wants a cream. This is more for them. I don't think it's going to work out for me. And I bought them another one. Where is it? Is this one? No, this is not this one. Maybe this. No. Oh. Okay. I was sure that I got another one from Acure. Okay, let's see everything else and then we'll check the order on Iherb. Maybe I am wrong. Okay, this is Hero. This is Clear Collective Clarifying Prebiotic Moisturizer. This is daily. Fortifies and replenishes with sage and probiotics. I got this one for me. This is no ordinary moisturizer. The hydrating blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm reading it. This is no ordinary moisturizer. The hydrating Nuret packed with formula reduces the appearance of blemishes thanks to one genius ingredient, probiotic sugar complex. Backed up pore purity sage extract. The probiotic charged lotion fuels your skin to keep you feeling clear, balanced, and totally in control. Not sure if this is clean ingredients. Nope, It doesn't say. So why did I bought it? It's not clean ingredients. Okay, I'm disappointed with myself. I am disappointed with myself. Okay. But, you know, it is what it is. I bought another product from Hero. So Hero are not a clean brand. This is Rescue Retinol Nighttime Renewing Cream. Supports smooth, bouncy skin with 0.75% encapsulated retinol blend plus rescue balm complex, 30 milliliters. And this one is also nothing free. Yeah, okay, I'll try it. And almost last thing is from Derma E. My battery is showing its signs. Stem cell eye lifting treatment, copper peptide, kakadu plum, tightens and smooths. This one is cruelty free, 100% vegan, gluten free, recyclable, wind energy, soy free. Okay, no parabens, no fluoride, no parabens, no. Okay, this one is a clean brand. Yeah, Derma E. I love buying from Derma E. They're clean, you can see it here. Okay, last thing that I bought is from Rimmel London. This is one of their lipsticks. It doesn't say made in England, but it doesn't say which lipstick is it. So it's just a Rimmel lipstick. I'll just show it to you because I am... Oh, why? Why? I want to give it to my friend. Look what happened to it. I didn't do anything. Ah, that's a bummer. Why was it opened? How can I give it to her now? I don't know. Okay, but there's nothing in the box. Let's just check the order. Maybe I'm okay. I'm assuming that I am wrong because they are never wrong, and they're not wrong now either. This is everything I ordered. I probably put in my basket and took out something else. Okay, before my battery dies, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Swatches. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, I'm going to put my Iherb code here. It's going to be an affiliated code. If you want to support my channel, then please use it. You don't have to, just if you want. It is on top of other codes, so just put it in anyways, even if you have a better one. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.